everybody, I'm Dr. Faith Acker, and I teach Latin and literature here at Signum University for the graduate program, the academic mastery program, and also our space program, which is the one I'd like to talk to you about today. At space, we offer a lot of languages, but Latin is obviously my favorite. Our Latin programs across Signum University, and we have them again in the graduate, the academic mastery, and our space programs, all use the same textbook, Wheelock's Latin, usually the 7th edition. What differs between these programs is the pace at which we go through this book and the level of assessment and rigor that's required from you in each. Space is by far the gentlest option. In space, our Latin students take a full year to work through Wheelock's Latin, which is a book with 40 chapters. So we do about 1 chapter per week, except that we have some extra time to slow down and cover tricky concepts, and also time to pause and just do a week of readings to reinforce what you've learned. We also have 3 optional readings modules that can be added into the Space Latin program at any time by student vote, and those allow all the students in a particular cohort to take a full month off to reinforce and practice all the things they've learned before they add new grammatical concepts and more vocabulary. But most important, there are no tests in Space Latin, and all the homework is optional. I'll often recommend sentences and exercises at the end of each class, but if you don't have time to complete those, you'll still be able to participate in the next class with what I call challenge questions, or if you're not feeling able to do even that much, you can just take the week off and learn from your classmates and listen. In space, I see my role as a teacher to encourage, to create community with maybe a little bit of peer pressure across the homework, and most importantly, to answer questions that you have about Latin, the textbook, and the things that we're learning each week. You don't have to tackle Wheelock's alone. You can do it with us. I think Space Latin is the perfect place to begin a lifelong study of the Latin language in a low-pressure, fun environment with collaborative students. I hope you think so too, and if you do, I'd encourage you to join us. Thank you so much for your time. Wale.